back to another video. I am sorry you guys did not get any video last week. My bad. Life, things happen. I was just about to prepare dinner. It's Friday and I just decided to turn it into a cooking video instead, because you guys do deserve a video by now. It's Friday, guys, and you know us Caribbean people, we do not like to cook per se on a Friday. Is either something simple or just no dinner at all. So I'm just gonna prepare something real quick. Today I will be making chicken Alfredo pasta, so stick around for that. Okay, so here I have chicken breast that I cut up in lengthwise shape, I don't know, and I'm going to wash that off with water and vinegar. Okay, so now that we finish cleaning up the chicken breast, we're going to add seasonings. So I'm going in with the Maggie all-purpose. If you don't cook with Maggie, like, what are you doing? And Maggie chicken seasoning. Not too much because it's not much. Chicken breast. And of course, a little jerk. It's not much, if you guys are wondering, just wasn't coming out. And a little bit of oregano, not too much. And then we're just going to stir that in. So once this is fully stirred in properly, I'm just going to set it aside and begin by preparing the pasta. Okay, so here for the pasta, we're just going to add salt. And of course, you're going to add a little oil because you don't want it to stick to each other. Okay, so now that the pot is boiling, we're just going to add the pasta, and I'm going to only cook this for 8 to 10 minutes, and I am going based off the packaging instruction. So I went ahead and add oil to the pot. And another thing I want to mention before I begin is, if you have like garlic powder or onion powder to season the chicken, you can go ahead and do so. It's your preference. So we're going to turn the pasta off because it's literally 10 minutes to be exact, and we don't want to cook the pasta too soft. We just want it tender, and it's perfect. And if you want to go ahead and add a little touch of flour to the chicken just to give it that nice little crust, that's cool. Again, it's your preference. So now I'm going to drain the pasta. Something that I did off camera was save back some of the pasta water, just in case when you do the sauce and everything and it's too thick and you want to, you know, let it be a little toops thinner, not too thin, you can just add a little of the pasta water to just fix that. So that's what I did. Now it's time for us to remove those chicken breasts from the fire. Okay guys, so just in case you're wondering why I changed, story time. In the middle of the preparation, I noticed I didn't have the heavy cream, one of the most important ingredients. I had to stop what I was doing and go get it on the road. So I came back and changed and everything. I wrote down everything into my phone. What happened is that when I went on the road early on, I did not walk with my phone. So that's what happened. But again, it's life. Things happen. No one is perfect. And I'm here to continue the video for you guys. So let's continue, shall we? Oh yeah. So now I'm going to prepare the garlic. I was just cutting that up. Okay, so we're going to add some butter. Alright, so now we're going to add the garlic. I'm going to add some chicken stock. We're going to add the heavy cream. And we want this to get a little bit thick enough before I add the pasta to it. Let me add a little bit more. Okay guys, so now that this has thickened enough, I am going to add our pasta. Oh my god. Okay, so now that we have practically all the pasta covered in the sauce, I'm going to add the chicken breast to it. And of course, it's not pasta if you don't add Parmesan cheese. Maybe we need to turn this down a little bit. So I went ahead and added more cheese to it because I wanted to get that nice that sticky thingy. I don't know. So I went ahead and added more Parmesan cheese to it. You can go ahead and add it according to how you like it. And this is practically it. So I'm just gonna go right ahead now and plate this. Okay, so now that we are finished, we are going to garnish the pasta with some parsley. And this is how we're looking. Now, that's how I made my chicken Alfredo pasta. It's time for us to give it a taste, shall we? Now let's taste. No, not to brag, but I could be hired at a restaurant to prepare this. I don't need to go to culinary school. But it's really good though. Like, I don't taste any difference from what I would taste from any restaurant that I would go to and order chicken Alfredo pasta. It tastes exactly the same. It's worth a try, guys. Just a one pot meal. It's really good. I like it. It tastes good. It's not because of me cook it. It tastes really good for sure. Okay, so this is where I am going to end today's video. I really hope you like it. I really hope you learn a thing or two. Yeah, so don't forget to leave a comment down below. Give the video a thumbs up if you did. Don't leave without subscribing, and of course remember to turn on your post notifications at all times so you can be notified each time I upload a video. I'll go right ahead and list all the ingredients that I use in this video for you. If you have any questions, go ahead, leave a question down below in the comment section. I will reply to you like I always do. And yeah, so I'm going to eat that, and I think I have to go on the road later, and I may vlog that for you. Yeah, so until then, guys, I will see you in the next video. Stay safe and thank you for watching.